friends, welcome to our channel. Today we're going to learn how to draw and color in a cute little genie. Wow, that looks amazing. Now let's color it all in. Let's use blue for his body and face. Now I'm going to use yellow for the lamp. And again, yellow for his hat and the side of his waistcoat. Now I'm going to use red for his feather, hat and his waistcoat. I'm going to fill the center of his hat in brown. And grey for his beard. Now I'm going to use light peach for the clouds. Wow! Now I'm going to use purple for the sand dune. I'm going to use light yellow for the bottom of the castle, then orange and brown for the pillars. And finally, yellow. Wow, that looks amazing, friends! Now we're going to draw Jasmine and her tiger. Wow, they look so happy! Now I'm going to go ahead and color it all in. I'm going to use black for her hair. Then I'm going to use brown for her hair tie. And blue for her hairband and clothes. Now I'm going to use yellow for her earrings and necklace. And light brown for her skin. Now I'm going to use light pink for the tiger's nose and orange for the top. Now we're going to grab black and color in the tiger stripes. And now we're going to color the rest in orange. And I'm going to use yellow for his mouth and brown for his eyes. Aw, they look so happy together. Now let's go ahead and draw Jasmine and Aladdin on a flying carpet. Wow, that looks great. Now let's color it all in. Now I'm going to use pink for the mouth and purple for the feather. Then I'm going to use blue for her hairband and yellow for his hat. Now I'm going to use yellow for his clothes. And orange for the top. And light brown for his skin. And purple over here. And now I'm going to use black for her hair. And now I'm going to use blue for her hairband and color her clothes in. Now I'm going to use light brown for her skin. Now I'm going to do the flying carpet in purple. And light pink. And red on the inside. Now we're going to use a light yellow for the dome. And color in the rest of the castle in light orange. Wow, friends, that looks amazing. They look so happy. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye-bye.